In today's video, we're gonna find out if the river trip in Trang An is worth its hype. We just made it to Ninh Binh and found this cute little homestay which allowed us to store our luggage for the day so we can rent a bike and go out and explore, because later tonight at 8 o'clock we have a sleeping bus going to Da Nang. So this will be a quick visit and we're gonna try and fit in as much as possible. The weather is not on our side, so we all look very fashionable. Not really, but anyway, it's just a question of mood. We're gonna have a good time no matter what the weather is. And I think our first one is gonna be the lake. But first up coffee and some food and the restroom. We went to this local restaurant called Pig Family Cafe to grab a quick bite before our adventures. They had a setup with tables around an open fire, which was perfect to warm up from the cold weather here. If you're in Vietnam, this is definitely a must. It's like the egg coffee here. So it's 2 egg whites whisked together with some condensed milk, as well as a little bit of sugar. I'm a sweet gal and I like my sweet coffee, so this is perfect for me. He didn't really like it, but I'm loving it. We ordered 2 different dishes of noodles, the pho as well as the Vietnamese noodle plate. Just finished up our lunch. It was an average lunch, not too good, not too bad. Maybe it's 7 out of 10 or 6.5 out of 10. Yeah?
Yeah, I'd say
Ish.
so.
Yeah. Unfortunately, but it was such a lovely place, like with the fire and a little bit of card games before or while we were waiting for the food. Now it's time though to find a scooter so we can explore Ninh Binh while we are here for the day, and hopefully we can find one just around the corner so we can get going straight away. I thought we would go to the where are we? Tam Bang? I thought we would do the lake that we are right next to first, but since our evening bus or night bus that is picking us up later on at 8 o'clock tonight is leaving from here, I'm thinking it's better to head away and then we can finish off with this one if we have time later on. So let's find a bike first. Okay, so that was an interesting ride. We don't have the best bike, but we managed to get here. The petrol-like thing doesn't work, not even the accelerator, so we can see how fast we go. But, well, we're in Vietnam and we made it to the first stop, which is Trang An. We're gonna go on the river in the boat. I heard my friend say this was really beautiful the other day. I don't know if it was raining when she was here, but I'm crossing my fingers the weather doesn't affect how beautiful the view is. We went to the ticket office and bought tickets for the first trip out of the 4 that they offered and headed down to the boats where we met the couple we will be sharing a boat with today. To our first stop, which is to visit this little temple. It's on this beautiful, I would say, island, and our lady that is driving us or rowing us here just dropped us off, and we're gonna have a little bit of a wander and see how the temples looks here. just entered our first cave, and it's so cool in here. It's very low, and the temperature is so much more hot outside compared to inside here compared to outside. It's quite how do you say it? Fascinating. I think it's so close. There's a spider. Continuing on, we got to truly see the beauty of Vietnam. High mountains meeting the lake, creating this majestic feeling and truly leaves you breathless. Then it was time for us to slowly make our way back. This trip takes around 3 hours and allows you to experience the most of Trang An's nature, temples and caves. If you're looking for something different though, they also offer 3 other trips which takes a slightly different route, one which holds the longest cave in Vietnam. Okay, so we just finished that tour and it was absolutely beautiful, but it was a bit long. So in the end of all the rocking in the boat, I was so tired, so I fell asleep like 2-3 times. But overall, very happy with the experience. I think it would be even more beautiful to go on a sunny day, but with the clouds and with the rain and the fog, but also the steam from the water, it made it very amazing. How do you say fantastic? No, mysterious. Yeah, so it was absolutely beautiful. Definitely something that I would recommend. Do you recommend it?
Absolutely,
yeah. 10 out of 10 for sure. Absolutely freezing. Driving back in the wind and like the rain after being on the boat for so long, while I was already kind of freezing going onto the bike. So heating up on the fire, which is quite nice, and we are waiting now for our sleeper bus to pick us up at 8 o'clock, and then we're gonna head to Da Nang, which we've seen provides sun, beaches and good vibes, so I'm very excited for that.